Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a modern living room set that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with our coffee table, starting with a 2x3 plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 flat tile right here, then a set of 1x2 jumper plates, followed by a 1x4 flat tile. This is going to be the top. Then I'm going to slide in 6 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. I'm just going to place these right underneath. These are going to be the side supports and legs for our coffee table. Place these right here. Make sure everything is secured firm. On this stud, a 1x2 flat tile. That's going to represent like a book. And right here, a 1x1 hollow transparent light blue stud. Then a small stem. We're going to put some flowers in there. That's going to be our little vase. Just wiggle and jiggle that in. And 3 of these little friends flowers. Set these right on there. They're the only type of flower that really can fit on here. Plus it adds a bit more color to the coffee table, and these things can be a bit of a chore to get on, but they look really good. For a set of end tables, start with a 1x3 plate. I'm going to place 3 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow right on the 1x3 plate. Now I want to make 2 of these, and I want to join these together with a 2x2 jumper plate. Place this right here, and then the remaining 2 studs, a 1x2 flat tile, a 1x1 transparent red nose cone, transparent yellow stud, and a 2x2 parabola dish for a lampshade, for a nice little table lamp. Let's make 2 of these. For a modern armchair, let's take a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 plate right in the top center, and right below that a 2x2 flat tile. That's going to be the seat cushion. Now we're going to take a set of 1x3 rounded plates, set these right here, and on top of those in the back a set of 1x2 plates and some 1x1 plates right here. Now right in the back center, I'm going to set down a 1x2 brick. That's going to be our back cushion, and a pair of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. This is going to be the arms. Set these here, and along the top another set of 1x1 by 2/3 plate with bow. Now for front legs, I'm going to take one of these studs with the holder, look like that have this little stick at the bottom, make great legs. So I'm going to place these right here to where the stick is parallel with the 2x4 plate. These can be a bit to hold on to, especially if you've got big hands. So just stick that right in there, line those up, complete the armchair. For a modern sofa, let's start with a 2x8 plate in the top center. I'm going to set down a 1x6 plate for seat cushions, a pair of 2x3 flat tiles along both left and right hand sides, a pair of 1x3 rounded plates. We're going to set a 1x6 plate on top of the previous 1x6 plate, and along the sides, a pair of 1x2 plates, and on the back studs, a set of 1x1 flat tiles. Now right in here, 3 1x2 jumper plates. Now we're going to use these to offset a 1x5 plate. I'm going to set that right there. Now for arms, pair of 1x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Set that right there. Now right in the center on the top, 1x3 flat tile, followed by a set of 1x2, 2/3 plate with bow. This will finish up the top portion. Now for legs, I'm just going to take another set of these studs with the holder at the bottom. Place these to where they are parallel with the 2x8 plate. And yes, you're still going to have to fight to get those in there. It's a bit of a challenging part to get in, especially if you've got large hands, but well, I managed to get that one in there. Just have to twist it in place to complete the modern sofa.